Welcome to episode 1 of AI for Working Professional series. Today we are starting with the 30-day AI roadmap, a practical plan to help you future-proof your career with AI. Every day, thousands of professionals wake up asking the same question: will AI replace my job? Social media says yes. News headline says yes. Your colleagues are talking about it. Even your own company has started using AI. But after spending more than 2 decades working with technology, leading teams, and driving digital transformation, I have realized something important. The biggest danger is not that AI will replace you. The biggest danger is becoming invisible. Think about your typical workday. You attend meetings, reply to emails, prepare presentations, update Excel, write reports, summarize discussions, follow up on action items. Now ask yourself one difficult question. How many of these tasks can AI already do? Quite a few, right? But here is the more important question. If AI saves you 3 hours every day, what are you doing with those 3 hours? Because that's the question your future manager will care about. Not whether you know ChatGPT, not whether you understand prompt engineering, not whether you have experimented with 10 different AI tools. They will care whether you have used AI to create more value. And that's exactly what this series is all about. Over the coming episodes, we will walk you through a practical 30-day roadmap to future-proof your career with AI. No coding, no computer science degree, no complicated technical jargon, just a simple, realistic plan that any working professional can follow. In this first episode, we will focus on the most important part: why this AI revolution is different and why the real risk is not replacement. It's about becoming invisible. By the end of this video, you will understand why the next 30 days matters to you and how to think about AI in a way most people don't. The step-by-step roadmap itself will come in the upcoming episodes. For now, let's begin. So let's understand that why this AI revolution is different. We have seen technology changes before. Email replaced letters. Excel replaced paper ledgers. Google replaced encyclopedias. Smartphones replaced dozens of devices. Every generation has had to adapt. But AI is different. Because previous technologies helped us to do work faster. But AI helps us think differently. It can draft, summarize, research, brainstorm, translate, analyze, generate. That's why people are worried. But here is something most people miss. Throughout history, technology has rarely replaced entire profession. It replaces repetitive work. The professionals who succeed are the ones who move towards higher value work. The calculator did not eliminate accountants. It eliminated manual calculation. Word processors did not eliminate writers. They eliminated typewriters. AI won't eliminate professionals. It will eliminate professionals who refuse to evolve. That's why the next 30 days matters to you. Most people, when they hear the phrase future-proof your career with AI, react in either of two ways. The first group panics. They read every article about which job will disappear. They download 5 different AI tools, open each one once, feel overwhelmed, and quietly go back to working exactly the same way they have always gone there. Except now, they also carry a little more anxiety every day. The second group goes to in the opposite direction. They enroll in long online courses, watch dozens of tutorials, learn technical terms, maybe even start learning Python also. And then real life happens. A project deadline, family responsibilities, a stressful week, and the learning stops. A month later, they are back where they have started. Both groups make the same mistake. They treat AI as a subject to study, a course to complete, something they have to fully understand before they can start using it. And that's backwards. AI is not a subject, it's a habit. And habits are not built by studying harder. They are built by doing small things consistently. And that's exactly what this 30-day plan is designed to help you with. This is not another online course. It is not a certification. It is certainly not about becoming an AI expert in 30 days. It's about changing the way you work, one small habit at a time. Because 30 days from now, we don't want AI to be another app on your phone. We want it to become part of how you think, part of how you solve problems, and part of how you create value. And once that happens, you will never look at your work the same way again. So, where does this leave you? AI is not waiting. Your industry is not waiting, and the definition of valuable work is already changing. So the good news is you don't need to be an AI engineer or master every new tool that appears next week. You simply need to become someone who learns continuously, adapts consistently, and combines human intelligence with artificial intelligence better than you did yesterday. That's a skill anyone can build. In this episode, we have covered that why this AI revolution is so different and why the real risk is not replacement but becoming invisible. In the coming episode of this series, you will break down 30-day AI roadmap into clear practical steps you can follow at your own pace. If this video helped you, we would love to hear from you. In the comments, type ready and tell me the one area of your work where you most want to use AI. This is EdgeTalks. We will see you in the next episode.